Okay, so in this video, I'll show you how you can upload your data of your customers to Facebook. The first step in the process is to log in into your Facebook ads account. It should look exactly like this. And the first step is to click on Tools and on Audiences. Can you see that? Just click here. Then click on Create Audience and on Custom Audience. Perfect. As you can see, there are three different options to choose from. There's the customer list option, meaning we can upload emails, phone numbers, Facebook user IDs, or mobile advertiser IDs to Facebook. Then there's the option website traffic, meaning we can create a list of people who visit your website or view specific web pages. This is something we'll focus on later down the road. This option or this feature is also referred as retargeting or remarketing. And then you can even create a list of people who have taken a specific action in your app or game. In this video, we will focus on the customer list option. So just go ahead and click on this tab. And again, three options that we can choose from. We can either upload a file, so upload a data file that contains emails, phone numbers, Facebook user IDs, or mobile advertiser IDs. Then there's the option to copy and paste your custom list, and you can import even your customer data from MailChimp. So if your service provider, your autoresponder provider is MailChimp, just go ahead and use this option, but in 99% of the cases, you will just have to upload your customer list manually, okay? So just go ahead and click on Upload a File. So the next step is to basically select the data type, as you can see here. So what do you want to upload? What do you have from your customers? Do you have emails? Do you have data about your users if you're just basically running an app, so you can upload your app users? Do you have the phone numbers of your customers or just mobile advertiser IDs? So in 90% of the cases, you'll most likely upload the emails. That's what you probably have from your customers. But hey, if you've got their phone numbers or if you're running an app, then just use this option. But again, in 90% of the cases, you will probably have the emails of your customers. So what you have to do is to upload a text or CSV file. Now, how to get that file? When you use emails, then most likely you will have an account registered with a autoresponder provider. That's a provider where you can basically send emails to your customers, okay? And you have that emails on file. So just go to your autoresponder and just download a file with the emails from your customers. Download it in a CSV file. That is something you can select. And then just go ahead, click on upload the file, select the file, and click on create audience. And great. Thanks for creating a custom audience. And now it says it will take up to 30 minutes for your audience to be ready for use. We'll notify you when your audience is ready. You can also check status in Audience Manager. So it's pretty easy to do. If you're done with that, if your file got uploaded, just click on Next. And then Facebook is asking you to either create an ad using the audience or just expand your audience. It's completely up to you what you want to do next. But how to create an ad using an audience is something we'll focus on in the next video. The purpose of this video is just to show you how you can actually create a custom audience. So just follow these steps and take action now.